Okay then guys, that just about wraps it up for the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2024. And I'll tell you what a cracking set of builds this has been. I like how they haven't concentrated on one theme and how the little mini builds represent a year from the history of LEGO Star Wars really. I did have to research the mini kit because I'm not a video game fan. I used to play them but I was never any good. The other one that got me was the Crimson Firehawk. I've seen it, of course I watched the cartoons, but I just didn't know what it was really. Overall though, what a great selection of ships, right away from the X-Wing, TIE Fighter, Y-Wing, the Falcon, Razor Crest. Oh, Venator's a good one as well. I tell you what, I like all of those. The minifigures were good. The usual couple with their Christmas sweaters on, so perhaps Luke could have had a mug instead of a lightsaber. Not sure on that one. So glad that we didn't get a B1 battle droid or a Gonk droid this year. We had a good selection of non-ship, non-minifigs this year as well, and no confusing ones that are just scenes from the movie. Okay, the mini kit may have caught a few people out. In fact, it got quite a lot of views, that video. And that brings us on to my top 5 builds of this year's calendar. You can't go wrong with the Falcon, Razor Crest, AT-AT, brilliant. The Y-Wing, yeah, confused me, but what a lovely build. And I think my favourite is in the centre there, Luke's X-34 Landspeeder. I just love the attention to detail. The little white stud with a tan stud on top for Luke and 2 golden studs for C-3PO. Don't worry guys, only 11 months to go till the next one. Look after yourselves and I hope you have a very, very merry festive season. Take care guys.